Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5. Click on view all lessons and we're going to start with a chapter that is fractions and mixed numbers. So we are already working on the chapter. We're going to start with a topic that is compare fractions and mixed numbers. The lesson we are going to start with is compare fractions and mixed numbers. So before starting the lesson, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? So let's start with the topic fractions and let's start with the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. And then we're going to start with the topic compare fractions and mixed numbers. So I'm going to start with an example. Let me write it down on board. Okay, the first example is which number is less than the one shown. The numbers are 4 whole 1 over 4, 3 whole 2 over 4, 4 whole 3 over 4, and 3 whole 3 over 4. These are the four numbers. You have to compare them with this one. Okay, you have to compare the fractions with the one you are given. Got it? So let's start with comparing the fractions. So first of all, you have to write this one as a fractional part. So you have 1, 2, 3 that are the colored whole. Got it? So 3 is the whole number. Then you have the fourth one. Out of the fourth, you have 3 are colored. So it would be 3 whole 3 over 4. Got it? Now you have to compare the 3 whole 3 by 4 to the all the numbers listed here. Got it? So let's start with comparing the very first number. Edlin, what happened? If you need more help, if you have any confusion, any question, just write the question. I'll answer the same. I'll answer your question. Okay, start with the first one. Let's just compare 4 whole 1 by 4 with 3 whole 3 over 4. Got it? So 4 whole 1 over 4 and 3 whole 3 over 4. You have to find the just compare their whole numbers. So 4 is greater than 3. Got it? That means 4 whole 1 by 4 is greater than 3 whole 3 by 4. Got it? The question is which number is less than the one shown? You have to find the number that is less than 3 whole 3 over 4. Got it? Okay, let's just check the second one. 3 whole 2 over 4 and 3 whole 3 over 4. So first compare their whole numbers. They have the same whole numbers. Now just compare their fractional part. Here you have they have same denominators. Just compare their numerators. 2 is less than 3. That means 3 whole 2 by 4 is less than 3 whole 3 by 4. Got it? Now let's just compare the rest of the two. Uh, rest of the two fraction means 4 whole 3 by 4 is greater than 4 whole 3 by 4 is greater than 3 whole 3 by 4. Got it? Now let's just cast one. 3 whole 3 by 4 is equal by 4. So just one that is less than 3 whole 3 by 4 is 3 whole 2 over 4. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice question. Test button, let's just click on the test button so that we can do practice questions. Buffer, can you please check your internet connection? Okay, the first one is which number is greater than the one shown? Okay, first you have to write the one that is shown. This is the one that is all figured. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 is the whole number. So then out of the 6 is whole number, and then just look at this one. Only 1 out of 6 is colored. Got it? So it would be 6 whole 1 over 6. So the fraction is 6 whole 1 over 6. Buffer, please check your internet connection. I'm not lagging. I'm because maybe you have your internet connection. Okay, the one that is shown is 6 whole 1 by 4. Now you have to find the number greater than, out of these given numbers, you have to find the one that is greater than 6 whole 1 over 6. Got it? Let's start with comparing the first one. 6 whole 1 by 6 is, let me write them down on board. 6 whole 1 by 6, then 5 whole 2 by 6, then 6 whole 3 by 6, and then 5 whole 3 by 6. So which one is greater? Okay, start comparing with the first one. So 6 whole 1 by 6 is equal to 6 whole 1 by 6. Got it? Now let's just check second one. 5 whole 2 over 6 and 6 whole 1 over 6. Just compare their whole numbers. 5 is less than 6. Got it? So 5 whole 2 by 6 is less than 6 whole 1 by 6. Okay, the next one is 6 whole 3 by 6. Just look at their whole numbers. Their whole numbers are equal. Now just look at their fractional part. They have the same denominators. Got it? Just compare their numerators. 3 is greater than 1. That means 6 whole 3 over 6 is greater than 6 whole 1 over 6. Got it? Now for the last one. 5 whole 1 over 3 over 6. Just compare their whole numbers. 5 is less than 6. That means 5 whole 3 by 6 is less than 6 whole 1 by 6. So which one is the one that is greater than 6 whole 1 by 6? Just the one, this one. 6 whole 3 by 6 is greater than 6 whole 1 by 6. Got it? So it would be 6 whole 3 over 6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, which number is less than the one shown? So which number shown here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It would be 7 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 whole 7 over 10. The one that is shown here is 7 whole 7 over 10. 7 whole 7 over 10. Okay, you need to find the one that is less than 7 whole 7 over 10. So which one is less than 7 whole 7 over 10? Which one is less than 7 whole 7 over 10? 7 whole 7 over 10 is exactly equal to 7 whole 7 over 10. This one is the one that is less than 7 whole 6 by 10. When you compare their fractional part, their whole number are exactly equal. When you compare their fractional part, 6 is less than 7, isn't it? So 7 whole 6 by 10 is less than 7 whole 7 over 10. Got it, everyone? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what which number is less than the one shown? Okay, let's see which number is shown. 1, 2, 3. It would be 3 whole 2 over 3. Got it? So we have represented 3 whole 2 over 3. So which of the number is less than 3 whole 2 over 3? Which fraction is less than 3 whole 2 over 3? No one knows the answer? What happened? If you know the answer, just write the answer. Edlin, yes, it is 7:11 p.m. The less one is 1 whole 1 over 3. The only fraction that is less than is 1 whole 1 over 3. Got it? You have to find the one that is less. The one that is shown here is 3 whole 2 over 3. Got it? So you have to find the one that is less than 3 whole 2 over 3. So the less one is 1 whole 1 over 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which number is less than the one shown? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 whole 1 over t. Yes, I'm live from somewhere else. Please focus on the topic we are discussing. Time is not a big issue. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 whole 1 over 2. So which number is less than 7 whole 1 over 2? I know you all are from Canada. Now just focus on the topic we are discussing. Okay, so which number is less than 7 whole 1 over 2? Yes, very good. It would be 6 whole 1 over 2. Okay, which number is greater than the one shown? Okay, the shown is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 whole 3 over 8. So the number that is shown here is 5 whole 3 over 8. So which one is greater than 5 whole 3 by 8? Which one is greater than 5 whole 3 by 8? Very good. It would be 5 whole 4 over 8. Very good, Maggie. It would be 5 whole 4 over 8. Very good. Okay, I'm just moving on to the next topic. You can complete the test by yourself later today. The next topic we're going to start with is put fractions in order. You are given more than one fractions, you have to compare them, and then you have to put the fractions in order. No, you have to find the greater ones, Okay, put fractions in order. Okay, now you are given with the fractions, you have to arrange them in order. Let's start with the first example. Okay, 6 by 9, 6 by 7, and 6 by 8. 6 by 9, 6 by 7, and 6 by 8. You have to arrange them from greatest to least. You have to arrange them from greatest to least. So which one is the greatest? Greatest to least, you have to arrange them. Which fraction is the greatest one? And then we have a class till 7:45. If you want to leave, you can go. You can check the lesson on the channel. It will be uploaded on the channel later. Okay, the greatest one is 6 by 7 is the greatest one. Sorry, the least one is you have to arrange from least to greatest. Okay, the smallest one you have to write the first. So which one is the smallest one? 6 by 9 is the smallest one. Got it? Then from these two, which one is the least? 6 by 8 is the least. And then the last one, the greatest one is 6 over 7. Got it? So from least to greatest, they are 6 by 9, 6 by 8, and 6 by 7. Got it? Yes, the smallest one is 6 by 9. Okay, let's start with the practice questions. Okay, 2 by 4, 1 by 4, and 3 by 4, and you have to arrange from least to greatest. 2 by 4, 1 by 4, and 2 by 4, 1 by 4, and 3 over 4. Okay, which one is the least one? So the least one is, yes, very good. 1 by 4 is the least one. Then you have 2 by 4, and then you have 3 by 4. Got it? 1 by 4 is the smallest one, then 2 by 4, and then 3 4. So the correct option is the second one, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. Got it? Okay. For the next question, you have to just tell me the correct option. Got it? Okay, put these fractions in order from greatest to least. So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? Option 1 or 2? You have to arrange them from greatest to least, not from least to greatest. Just listen to the question carefully. You have to arrange them from greatest to least. So which one is the correct option? That would be the second option. The greatest one is 7 over 9, then you have 5 over 9, and then you have 4 over 9. Got it? Second one is the correct option. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, put these fractions in order from greatest to least. Okay, you have to write the greatest one first, and then you have to write the least one. Okay, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, and 1 by 10. So which one is the greatest one? Which of the option is the correct option, the first one or the second one? Yes, but 9 by 10 is the greatest one. Then you have 8 by 10, and then you have 1 by 10. The second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, put these fractions in order from greatest to least. So they are 2 by 12, 2 by 5, 2 by 10, and 2 by 6. So which one is the greatest one and which one is the least one? Which option is the correct one, first one or second one? 2 over 12, 2 over 5, 2 over 10, and 2 over 6. So which one is which option is the correct one, the first one or the second one? Yes, very good. It is the second one. 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 2 by 10, and 2 by 10. Very good. And then it is the second one. 2 out of 5 is the correct one, then 2 out of 6, then 2 out of 10, and then 2 out of 12. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So 5 by 7, 5 by 6, and 5 by 10. So which option is the correct one from least to greatest? Yes, the correct option is the second one. 5 by 10, 5 by 7, and 5 by 6. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on with the next topic. If you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next topic is arithmetic sequences with fractions. Okay, let's start with the arithmetic sequences in fractions. So let's start with the first example. What is the next term in the sequence? 6 by 11, 5 by, let me write it down on board. Lesson name first and then example. Okay, the lesson name is arithmetic sequences with fractions. Okay, the first example is 3 by mm 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 over 11, and 6 over 11. You have to write the next fraction. Got it? So first of all, you have to look at the denominators of the fraction. So all of the fractions have, the denominators are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got it? The numerators are 3, 4, 5, 6. They have the same denominator. For all the fractions, they have same denominator. Got it? And for the numerator, each time you are adding 1, like 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So which is the next fraction in the sequence? It would be 7 over 11. Got it? You have to just add 1 to the numerator and denominator would be same. So it would be 7 over 11. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example. 11 over 18, 10 over 18, 9 over 18, 8 over 18. So which one is the next term in the sequence? So which one is the next? The next fraction is, just look at their numerators. You started from 7, 11. They have same denominators. Just look at their numerators. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. That means for each next value, you have to subtract 1 from the numerator. Yes, very good, Yakubu and Adilek, they are 7 by 18. So just subtract 1 from the numerator. It would be 7 over 18. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test so that we can do practice questions. Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? The fractions are 7 over 10, 6 by 10, 5 by 10, and 4 by 10. So the next fraction is, yes, very good. It is 3 over 10. Their numerators are just subtracting by 1. So just subtract 1 from the numerator and denominator would be same. So it is 7 over 10. Got it? Just select the 3 over 10, sorry. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 14 by 20, 15 by 20, 16 by 20, 17 by 20, 20. So the next fraction is, very good, it is 18 over 20. Got it? Because all the numerators are just increasing by 1. So the next one is 17 plus 1, 18, and it would be 18 over 20. Got it? Is my screen blurry? What is the next fraction in this sequence? 11 over 18, 10 over 18, 9 over 18, 8 over 18. And the next one is, okay, one of the kid is asking my screen is blurry. That's why I'm just confirming. So the next one is 7 over 18. Got it? Yes, that would be the last option and it would be 7 over 18. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Is my voice lagging? What is the next fraction this sequence? 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9. The next option is, the next fraction is 7 over 9. Very good. The correct option is 7 over 9. Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 7 by 18, 16 by 18, 15 by 18, 14 by 18. And the next one is, the next fraction is, very good, it is 13 by 18. Okay, the next one is, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 9 by 20, 8 by 20, 7 by 20, 6 by 20. The next option is, very good, it is 5 over 20. Okay, do you guys like to learn in live sessions or with the on call with the tutors on Skype? Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 8 by 14, 9 by 14, 10 by 14, 11 by 14. And the next one is, oh, great. Okay, the next one is, that means you guys are enjoying the live sessions, isn't it? Okay, the next one is, yes, it is 12 by 14. Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? Yes, okay, good. The next one is 6 by 11, 5 by 11, 4 by 11, 3 by 11. The next one is, very good, it is 2 over 11. That means I am a good teacher, isn't it? Okay, the next one is, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. The next one is, you guys are also very smart. Okay, the next fraction is, very good, it is 5 over 6. Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 9 by 14, 8 by 14, 7 by 14, 6 by 14. The next fraction is, yes, it is 5 over 14. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Got it? And the next topic is geometric sequences with fractions. The next topic is geometric sequences with fractions. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. Then we'll start with an example. Geometric sequences with fractions. Okay, and so first of all, we are going to learn what are the geometric sequence, like the one we did earlier. For example, the one we did earlier are like this: 3 by 4, 1, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Wait, let me use another example. Okay, the one we did earlier, the arithmetic sequences one are 3 by 14, 4 by 14, 5 by 14. You have to find the next one. And for example, the other one we did is 7 over 8, 6 over 8. The next one is 5 over 8. So their numerators are either adding or subtracting. Like for this one, you have to add 1. Got it? And for this one, you are subtracting 1. So when you are adding or subtracting some numbers from the sequences, that means they are the arithmetic sequences. Got it? So now we are going to learn the geometric sequences. So the geometric sequences are the one that either you are multiplying or dividing by some number. Like for this one, for example, the one we have is 3 by 6, 6, 3 over 12, 3 over 24, and 3 over 48. Just look at the sequence. You have same denominator each time. Got it? The denominator numerator is exactly the same. That would be 3. Got it? But for the denominator, what you are going to do, you are multiplying 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times 2 is 48, isn't it? That means when you are multiplying or dividing by the sum value, that means they are the geometric sequences. Got it? So the next one you have is you need to write the same numerator and you have to multiply this denominator by 2. So 48 times 2 is 96. So the next fraction in the sequence is 3 by 96. Got it? So when you add and subtract something in the sequence for the next term, that means they are the arithmetic sequences. And if you have to multiply and divide it by some numbers for the next term, that means you are working on the geometric sequences. Got it now? Yes or no? Okay, good. Okay, the next example is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. Like if you try to add, they have different numbers, like 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. You can try them by adding and subtracting, but each time the difference is not same. Got it? That means they are multiplying by same number. Like 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Got it? So they are the geometric sequences. Got it? For the next one, numerator is exactly the same. Just multiply 16 times 2. So 16 times 2 is 32. So the next term in the sequence is 1 over 32. Got it? If you have any confusion, any questions, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, now the next one is what is the next fraction in the sequence? So 4 by 5, 4 by 10, 4 by 5, 4 by 10, 4 by 20, 4 by 40. Okay, so which is the next term? Very good. It is 4 over 80. Let me explain how. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40. That means for the each next term, you have to multiply the denominator by 2. Got it? Very good. Okay. So the correct option is 4 over 40. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, wait. For the next question, just Adeline have to answer. Rest of the students, just wait, please. Adeline, you have to answer now. What is the next fraction in the sequence? 3 by 6, 3 by 12, 3 by 24, and 3 by 48. So the next term in the sequence is, Adeline, you have to answer for this question. The correct option is, Adeline, we are waiting for the answer from your side. No, no, just wait for the Adeline. No, the one I have written on the board. 4 by 80 is for the last one. 3 by 6, 3 by 12, 3 by 24, 3 by 48. The answer for the next fraction is, yes, it is 3 over 96. Got it? Buffer, please focus on the topic we are discussing, not on the chat. The chat box is just to communicate with me. Just write the answers. If you have any confusion, any problem, you can write them on the chat box. So please, that's the thing. When you guys start chatting with each other, this will create the mess in the chat. That's why I always ask to don't. I always ask you to don't talk to each other. Just communicate with me. What is the next fraction in the sequence? 1 over 68, 2 over 68, 4 over 68, 8 over 68. The next term in the sequence is, the next term in the sequence is, each time the numerator is multiplying by 2, isn't it? Yes, very good. Next one is 8 times 2 is 16. So it would be 16 over 68. Very good. The next option is 16 over 68. The correct option is 16 over 68. Okay, the next one is what is the next fraction in the sequence? 3 by 4, 3 by 8, 3 by 16, 3 by 32. The next term in the sequence is, yes, very good. The next term in the sequence is 34. Each times the denominators are multiplying by 2. Got it? Numerator is exactly the same. The denominators are multiplying by 2. It would be 3 over 64. Okay, the next one is 2 by 55, 4 by 55, 8 by 55, 16 by 55. The next one is, the next one is, yes, very good. It is 32 over 55. Or for each next fraction, you have to multiply 2 to the numerator. So 16 times 2 is 32. So it would be 32 over 55. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The next one is what is the next fraction in the sequence? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. The next one is, Very good. It is 1 over 32. Got it. The next one is 1 over 32. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the next fraction in the sequence? 2 by 67, 4 by 67, 8 by 67, 16 by 67. The next one is very good. It would be 32 over 67. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered four of the topics today. The topics are compare fractions and mixed numbers. Then we did put fractions in order. Then we did arithmetic sequences with fractions and geometric sequences with fractions. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions. If you need help with any of the test question, any of the topic, please go to Skype, contact any tutor. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you find the session helpful for you, please click on the like button right below the video. You can write a review for the live sessions on our Facebook page. Please find our Facebook page. Find our Facebook page. The name of the page is A plus students. And please write a review on the live sessions on the page. Got it? That would be highly appreciated. Also, you guys are participating very good. Your participation is highly appreciated. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you all. Bye.